Why does facial skin turn yellow? First, dietary issues such as a lack of vitamins or excessive intake of keratin can cause yellowing skin. Next, lack of sleep and excessive stress can affect skin metabolism, making it look dull and yellow. Health problems like liver disease and anemia can also lead to yellow skin. Additionally, overexposure to the sun, smoking, drinking, and environmental pollution can damage skin cells, causing yellowing. Poor skincare habits may also contribute to skin problems. How to improve? Start with a balanced diet rich in vitamins. Ensure adequate sleep and reduce stress. Regularly check liver function and blood health. Use sunscreen to minimize UV damage. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake. And choose skincare products suitable for your skin type, focusing on cleansing and moisturizing. I hope these tips are helpful. Remember to like and follow.